Sometimes what happens as you work along in Google Slide is that you may not remember where to find certain tool or certain command right here. So you have a lot of menus right there. Let's say that you're searching for spell check, but you don't know where it is. So going through each one of them might be kind of a hassle. So what you can do is you can go to help right here. And then in the search the menu, simply type in spell right here. And there you go. There's the spell check right here. So now you have the spell check over there. You can go around over here and search for different things. Let's say, for example, you're searching for chart. Simply go to help and type in chart right here. And here you can see that you have the chart option. So you can go around and then search around for different things. Maybe you're searching for drawing. There's new drawing right here. You're searching for maybe line. You just type in line right there. And there you go. Everything comes up right there, as you can see. And that is how you can search the menu and immediately access a certain type of feature. So hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.